Hi, I'm Priscilla and I'm going to talk about hydrocarbon derivatives. Well, hydrocarbon derivatives are molecular compounds made of carbon and this other element that is made hydrogen. In hydrocarbon derivatives, there are train groups that are called functional groups. Here we have all that are the name of the compounds are alcohol, amine, ether, ketone, aldehyde, carbonic acid, ester, and amine. Well, they have like a certain formula, and they have prefix and suffix. The prefix and suffix help us to separate what is one type and what is another. Well, the first is alcohol and is air hyphen OH. Then we have amine, R hyphen NH2. Then we have ether, that is R hyphen O hyphen air. Then we have ketone, that is a central carbon double bonded to oxygen. And then we have two R's. Then is the aldehyde, that is a central carbon and it's double bonded to oxygen, and then we have an R, and then we have a hydrogen. Then is a carboxylic acid, that is an R hyphen carbon, then double bonded to an oxygen, and then bonded to an oxygen and hydrogen. Then we have the ester, that is an R, it's very similar like the other one, like an R. Then it's a C, oxygen, a double bonded oxygen, then oxygen and another R. Then we have the amide, that is an R, carbon, a double bonded oxygen, and an NH2. The R means that this another chain of carbon or other elements. Well, here we have some examples, and then we can localize how they are formed by this formula. Okay, first we have the R, that is here the central chain or the central carbon. It is bonded to an OH, and then we can know that is an alcohol, the OH and the C. And then we have another example that is almost the same. There's the central carbon and an OH bonded. Then we have the amine, that is R and NH2. Well, the R is the central carbon and it's bonded to an NH2. Then in the other example we have a carbon and an N, a nitrogen, and two oxygens. It's the same. Then we have the ether, that is an R, an oxygen, and an R. Well, here we have the oxygen is in the middle, and the other compounds added to the oxygen. And then it's the same here. The oxygen is in the middle, and the other one are chains. Then we have ketone. The C is bonded to a double oxygen. Here is the C. Here is bonded to the double oxygen, and it has another chain. Here CH3, CH3. Here we have two, the central carbon, the double oxygen, and the other chains. Then in the aldehyde, the central carbon, the double oxygen, and a hydrogen bonded to another chain. It isn't here. It's very simple. You can identify what type of compound they are when you are based on these structures. Then we have carboxylic acid, that is a C bonded to a double oxygen and another OH and another chain. Here is the OH, here is the chain, and then we have exactly the same carbon, the oxygen, the OH, and a chain. Then the ester, that is the central C. We have two double bonded to oxygen. Then we have another chain. Here's the carbon, double oxygen, and the other chain. Also, it's bonded to another oxygen. Then the last one is the amine. Well, it's the C in the middle, then double bonded to oxygen, NH2, and another chain. Here we have the same, the carbon, the double oxygen, the NH2, here are the two hydrogens, and another chain. Well, as you can know, it's very simple to know. You have to understand this, you have to know the meaning of all these symbols. And you, with these brackets, also can help you to know. If you have the name of all the chemical formulas, it's easy to know. Well, thank you.